first stop, LaHave Bakery.
And this is our first visit, so we're gonna grab a bite to eat before we hit the road on our road trip. LaHave Islands Marine Museum. Yesterday we paddled all around this area, and today we're here to learn all about the history of where we were paddling. So we're pumped to go in and check it out.
We're at Cape LaHave Adventures. We're heading out on a 4-hour kayak tour to check out the islands. We're at Petite Riviere Vineyards. Oh, that's pretty good.
I called,
that's
there was
really
no
good.
answer, and then I looked at the numbers.
Yeah.